In this episode of Rob Christie Hike Across America, we continue with our mission to try to find something worth doing in every state. This week, we're in Branson, Missouri for part 2 of our waterfall adventure. This time, I'll be heading down to Rourke Creek and checking out the waterfall hiking trail. So I'm here at the waterfall trail here on Rourke Creek in Branson, and they've already got this place decorated for Christmas. Not even Thanksgiving yet. It's a super simple hike. You do have to cross some water at one point, but there are several waterfalls in here. Only problem is you're right in between a bunch of buildings on the other side of you because it kind of goes right through the middle of Branson. But put your blinders on. Now this waterfall is located about a mile down the road from the one I did in the last video at the Roof and Paul Herring Conservation Area. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a link to it up top. Seems like they made this a little bit better than last time I was here. They actually got some signs up, but they didn't do nothing about how you cross the water here. You pretty much just, as you can see, you will get wet. There might be a better place to cross, but I wasn't seeing it. I mean, right there, you can make it across that log. The trail tells you to go across the water, but it's up to you. Now, this is normally a pretty popular area, but I got lucky today and had the place all to myself. I guess I was the only one who wanted to go hiking out in the rain. It looks like we're coming up on our first little waterfall. Like I said, there's quite a few of them in here, small, and some of them are pretty decent size. If you're wondering what I was talking about, where I say you're walking in between buildings and it just kind of takes away from the natural feel, this is what I'm talking about. You were literally put up against some buildings where this creek runs through and these waterfalls are at. But we are smack dab in a city here. I can see the first good set of waterfalls straight ahead from the trees there. I'll try to show you. Not too bad for being in the middle of the city. It looks like we do have to cross over the water again if I want to get to that waterfall. And I had the phone on there, made it across, not too bad. But there's another waterfall on the other side here. Pretty neat. So I'm gonna check that one out here first. Second here, I'm gonna check this one out. We're gonna go check out this other waterfall, and we're gonna go down the road a little bit. Cross over the waterfall. I do believe there is a triple waterfall on the other side over here most people don't know about. Found a lot of good dry spots here. Alright, made it across, not too bad. Looks like I had to cross over regardless. I believe you crawl up in here. And yeah, there they are. There's like 2 or 3 waterfalls that flow in the very back of this hotel here. So we're just gonna try to sneak over there and check it out. Yeah, it's kind of a trail on the side here. Get you back there. Like I said, this one, my thing sucks is you're right in between some, looks like apartment complex or some kind of lodge or something up on the side. But like I said, put your blinders on. As you see, I did my best to cut out the apartments there or whatever that is in the background. You just do the same for yourself. I think I'm going to call it at this point. Splits off into 2 different creeks. Don't really see a trail anymore. They're all covered in leaves. So I think I'm good for the day. Head home back. In the next episode of Rob Christie Hike Across America, we head back to Springfield. We're going to Siquiota Park and taking a boat tour inside of a cave. So if you found yourself liking this video and you want to see more, please like, share, subscribe. Plenty on the channel, more on the way. Till next time, keep on hiking.